Well, don't forget to catch the game this Saturday at 2 p.m. Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles against the Perpetual Lady Altas. Another nice game to catch on NBN4.
Oh, perfect down the line hit by Gendrali.
Smart hit, no? She saw Dindin and she saw Salibad.
Bakit mo palalabanan eh, diba?
Yeah, no-brainer.
Padaanin mo din sa mas madali. And that's a veteran move actually from Gendrali.
Oh, this is the person that you were mentioning earlier, Nepomuceno. Looks like that was out.
Oh, and a point awarded to Southwestern. Violation caught against the Bulldogs, the Lady Bulldogs.
I think it was a net violation. Well, if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Well, SWU with a slow start, but here in the...
Slowly, catching up. They take that point. Via that block. Well, Pido of SWU has 2 of the 5 attack points of SWU, and you having 9.
Well, those 2 points of Pido, we saw yung talagang exclamation.
Baon.
Oh, well, scrappy play at the net.
Oh, but Dindin Santiago putting it wide.
I thought it was a sorry error.
Oh, sayang talaga. It was a perfect set for her.
Well, there were talks also that Dindin Santiago was actually the one really bothered by the new setter kasi yung adjustment niya. But
sa kanya yung pinakamahirap. Yung setter kasi mag-a-adjust, tapos mag-a-adjust pa siya kay Dindin. Diba? Another adjustment. But looking good so far. So, NU now up by 4 points as we see this once again.
That's
This is something that especially Dindin and Kylie Popaceno is in front. It's something that they should really maximize, yung blocking. Points from blocks.
That's right. If you have twin towers there, no?
And not bad si Tiangco rin yung the other side. So, ito talaga, kailangan yung defense. Sayang naman.
Oh, good dig.
Si Pido sending it long and wide.
Well, she mistimed their jump. And she hits it wide, and we'd like to listen in to a timeout by SWU.
Jobs! Spin lang.
Pamilya ba? Yung mga sa taas.
Lima.
Ay, hindi pa. Dibisada na. Tanawa. Quick na imuha. Pasok na ilang. Di mo sa mag-quick patong. Kasabot ka. Ilang bula ba? Quick. Open. 4. Bicycle. Walay mag-quick patong nila. Ayaw. Bangsak pa din mga ko. Para kakuha ka sa...
Lima ra na lang.
Gamay ra kayo ng tanan, ha? Gamay ra kayo ng tanan.
Dili pa, minti ko sa makapatay. Managin na ninyo.
Hey, Mr. Barry Pascua, please.
Wake up.
Paki-translate.
I heard Coach talking about
The different, the options. The different options that the spikers can actually do.
At least we can pick up from the little that we
Kasabot, salo. Alam mo, just... Siguro by, season 10.
Konti.
Maintindihan na natin yan. But of course, the gesture and the usual timeouts are all about really the adjustments to be made inside the court.
That's right. And before that, Nepomuceno just hitting it through the blockers. Another point for NU. Good dig. Tiangco going to Nepomuceno.
Great coverage.
Oh, you can hear Coach shouting, drop ball.
Actually, in their game against St. Lasal, ganyan si Coach, parang play-by-play. Sinasabi niya what to do, which actually helped them a lot in the third and the fourth set. Pero tama rin sinabi niya yung total collapse on the fifth set. Sayang na sayang yung game na yun.
Well, you know, also we have to give credit to the Lady Stingers because LaSalle really playing very well. And
they were able to bounce back from what we thought already was their game. It was really a two-set advantage for them. We thought they were going away with the win already, pero wala. SW was able to win another 2 sets.
That's right. Timeout by NU. Let's listen to Coach Francis this time.
Gaano kalaki? Malaki, di ba? O anong gagawin ng spiker? Papatamain yan. Ilalayo yan. Pag sumugod ka, by the time na pumasok yan pag ganyan, ano mangyayari? Atras ka, katanyanin mo. Abangan mo muna, hintay mo pumalo muna yung spiker bago ka sumugod. Huwag mo intindihin yung drop ball sa gilid. Yung drop ball sa gitna. Yung dalawang depensa sa gilid, ako kuha nun. Intindihin mo yung long ball. Ano?
Well, basic coaching by Coach Francis.
That's what you like about Coach Francis Vicente. Himay-himay niya, diba? Diba? You really understand what you're supposed to do.
Parang logic ginagamit na. Parang
Teacher na teacher.
Pido, wow, with a good serve, but Pumasan was there. Santiago.
With a push, takes that point.
Sometimes yun yung mahirap kunin na yung mga push. Well, it's fun. If it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Dindin, wow!
Oh, sharp serve coming from Dindin Santiago.
You know, the service of these teams actually have also, the level of their service has increased tremendously.
Napansin din namin ni Ian yan eh. Now it's getting to be your first offense.
Oo.
Diba? Dati parang, although in some cases, you really have to go back to just putting the ball across. May mga days
Floater.
na ganun. Pero now it's beginning to be an offense.
And you know, it's not naman really the running spike that we know of,
yes.
diba? A running jump serve. It's more of, they run and then they serve.
Yun yung internationally siguro about mga 3-4 years ago. Ganun na yung service. And I really like it because it's just a short stab.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's right. Well, another timeout here by SWU.
Takas kayo mo laki. Gusto lagi sa tunga lagi. Bigyan ninyo i-apply ito kung kaya gipabuhat.
Gusto ba umaikto sa Manila?
Nakita lang kitabakan, oh. Liyog lang ka.
Abayi na yung bola, abayi ba? Asa dapat ang bola, abayi. Kupti dahil diretso wipe out. Ano po ito? So, paano?
Oh, you want to stay in Manila?
Gusto pa mag-extend. Ako hindi, gusto ko pumunta sa Cebu. Kung ako tatanungin mo, gusto ko doon.
Well, for those who just joined us, this is the Shakey's V-League, SWU against NU. I'm Noreen Go together with Mozi Ravenna and Bianca Lim.
And now Verana enters the court.
So,
for Aguilar.
gusto ko yung sinabi niya yung wipe
Swipe.
out.
I think it's more of swiping and not using the blockers, di ba? Parang erase.
Talagang kailangan use your coconut.
Kasi they cannot, it's really hard to penetrate, let's say, Maricar ni Pomaceno or Dindin Santiago. Ang hirap din eh. So, just use the easier way.
That's right. And you know who's very good with that?
Also.
Si Angela Benting.
Masterfully.
Verano now tapped to try to bring this SWU squad back into this match. And Rowley serving for the Lady Cobras.
Open hit. That's going to be low for Kianco.
Oh, we saw it now in her follow through eh. Parang,
Walang masyadong follow through.
Yeah.
So not enough spin.
And Rowley again.
Reyes on the first ball. Kaya ni Pomaceno even with a miss hit, but with a good angle, gets the point.
So imagine if she had that right timing, talagang baon na yun.
Volleyball, sometimes you can make it easier, di ba? Yung just looking for the open areas.
Right.
Pero yung variation is also needed. Siyempre, you will always go rin for powerful hits.
First option.
Di ba yung coaches ayaw nila yung drop ka ng drop?
Lalo na pag
Minsan pag pagod ka na, syempre, drop ka rin ng drop, di ba? At that point, wow!
That's right. Blocking has been working very well for National University. And we can see here in this shaken play.
Tama ka, Noreen, eh, di ba? Parang they really woke up at the right side of the bed and scoring that last point via those 2 blocks coming from the Lady Bulldogs.